Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Kang the Conqueror. Starting off, the legs came from Beast Boy, the hips and torso came from Green Arrow, the arms and the hands come from this LEGO CMF Dragon minifigure. I decided to take the cape from Raven. The shoulder piece and the head came from the Fifth Brother minifigure. Finally, the helmet comes from the LEGO Dimensions Teen Titans robot. Building your minifigure correctly should result in one that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build it. I'm not very big on Marvel, so I tried to put my own unique spin on the character, and I think I've done an interesting job. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed and have already liked it, and I should hopefully see you in the next one. Thanks for watching today.